What's up? What's up? I'm back. It's the 12th session. So, the 11th session I kinda rushed. Um, and I did not close it properly because I had to reset my mental state. So right now I'm back, and as you can see, we made quite some profit on our risk reward setups, and also a little profit on the core and the challenge. Because I did trade a little. As I remember correctly, I made around $50 on Pepe, Bomi, and the other meme coins of the 11th session. And yesterday, when I was walking around the Efteling, I made like $25 on the core from my phone. And right now, yeah, the risk reward has just been printing all day for a couple of days now. Yeah, because Bitcoin started to just sweep these levels, and right now we're actually creating a higher low. So this kinda changes my idea of where we probably were going. I expected these lows to be swept, but right now, yeah, as you can see, it's looking kinda bullish. I still want these highs to be swept. But right now, yeah, as you can see, we already tested the daily, and we just have been pumping once more. So yeah, it's kind of an unexpected move. I did not expect this Omega pump. Not sure what caused it. I think it was the inflation rates that caused it. But like I said, I was off charts. Try to be offline as much as possible, just to clear my mind, reset, and now I'm back, stronger than ever, ready to make some money, which we will very likely do today. Let's have a look at the movers. Let's first refresh. There have been some new coins on Kraken. Damn, Link has been going, man. What the fuck? Yeah, we actually were in Link on all the risk reward setups, so we made a decent profit on Link. But holy cow. Volume is decent as well. LDO as well. So let's have a look at the volatility. Yeah, just some projects have just been mooning. Really like it. SATS. I do think SATS is a bit too small. Yeah, this is dog shit. I'm not gonna trade this. Yeah, Pepe has been doing great. I do think we're creating lower highs here, so we could run into distribution. So that's something to take in consideration when you're running Pepe. So yeah, I kind of just want to look for alts that show a very nice structure, like this compression on WIF. Yeah, because it's a shitcoin, I kind of expect these lows to be swept before we continue a trend. So that's not really something I look to trade. Lower high. Let's look at strong movers today. Beacon. Okay, this is interesting because Ondo is basically nearing, I think, all-time high I'm not sure on the other exchanges, but this looks kinda okay. Range. Like when Bitcoin makes a move like this, I'm kind of fearful. But on the other hand, it's looking like a cup and handle right now, and we could actually just fucking break out. Yeah. Yeah, I think this level is really significant. If we manage to break it and manage to close above on the daily, I think yeah, we're very likely just going to visit the all-time highs again. But until then, yeah, I mean, also this little retest that's going on. I'm not sure. Look at the volume of Ondo. Yeah, I think I'm gonna short it on the challenge account. Let's just get rid of Doji. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, there's probably more alts that have the same structure. I'm just gonna take the risk on the challenge account that Bitcoin will probably make a lower high here. Well, let's first edit this, by the way. We've come a long way. So 418. Nice. Yeah, so we're gonna short Ondo. That's for sure. No, not on the core. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. We'll probably add more to the list, but right now I'm just gonna put Ondo there, 7 weight, and add the rest of Ethereum, so I can remove Ethereum. Short, yeah, okay. I mean, this kinda is a ballsy move because Bitcoin is actually telling us to long the shit out of everything because it's going to the top right corner. But yeah, I like to, when I'm taking a lot of risk, I like to think contrary to what everybody else is thinking. So this is actually counter trend trading, and I really do not suggest anyone to do this other than on an API that you can just easily liquidate. Because Bitcoin could very well just break out and go towards 70k again. And if you're in a shitcoin like Ondo, yeah, you could probably lose some money. But right now, yeah, like I said, we're running a $500 account. We're at 600 now. And yeah, I'm willing to lose 100 on this. So if I get caught off guard and I see everything going to shit, I'll probably pull the plug at 100. So I'm back at my initial investment. So I'm not gonna let this one Ondo ruin everything. I'll just pull the plug at 100 and start over again. That's the way I like to roll to keep my capital. Because you can always retry, but once you're liquidated, yeah, you lose your money. And because this is the initial investment, I don't like to run it to liquidation. Yeah, so that's running. Let's put a little trade window over here. I think, yeah, over here. Kind of want to get the fuck out if this happens. And if we near the daily, yeah, let's put it over here. This does not have to be very accurate because since we're running a risk reward. If you're running like Mars Attack, it has to be pretty darn accurate or tighter to the current price. Yeah, so let's head back to the dashboard. So yeah, we have 9k to trade. I do like LDO. I do like how it looks. I mean, it can sweep all these highs, and I do think it broke the trend here, the trend line. Yeah, I can easily see this go higher. Might even go towards the 200 daily. Let's have a look at the volume. Yeah, it's kind of low though. If we were to deviate. Oh, let's put Bitcoin back where he belongs. Let's have a look at the SPX. So S&P is at all-time high again. We're at all-time high again, okay. Yeah, I don't really see a reason to just be all the way short right now. I mean, there's a good argument that Bitcoin will just break these previous highs, then tries to sweep these levels, like plotted here. But right now, yeah, I do see some strength. I don't like the volume over here though. As far as this is a good indicator, I think right here you can clearly see people FOMOing, just buying, and here it's like more 50-50 of the people are shorting, selling. So I'm not really convinced. Fuck's also moving. Yeah, I'm kind of trying to find this one altcoin that's just crazy moving, but has a clear structure. Those are usually hard to find, but like we've had Pepe before. Like Pepe had a nice structure, looking to break out, and the downside was capped to inside our trade window for risk reward, so it was kind of nice to trade. But right now I'm just looking for another one that fits. Like this, it's too young for me. I don't like trading shit like this. Yeah, of course, Ondo. Are we going to trade Lido Finance? Oh. Weekly? Yeah, I mean on the weekly, I mean this looks really good, in my opinion. Like this really looks good. So I think from a high time frame perspective, I think we're gonna probably sweep around this level. Like this is very likely. Not sure why I used this fucking balloon thingy, but I think this looks good. I think it's a lot of upside. Yeah, around 25%. How much further are the lows? Yeah, I honestly would just like to squeeze as much out of the market as I can right now, and I think LDO it's looking promising, but it's not looking like something I'd run Mars Attack on, or because it's just one candle, right? If we get another follow-up candle higher, I would probably just long the shit out of it. But it's, yeah, I think it's gonna be trending. It's sad. I would like to see something ranging a bit more. Like, what's the downside on Rune? Yes, also. Just me. Yeah, it's low liquidity. So I think I'm just gonna have some lunch, and I'll probably check the markets after lunch. Let's see. Check the calendar. Yeah, so there's no news today. Next week, there's also nothing. Yeah, man, I think it's very likely to I think it's very likely we're gonna just continue grinding upwards, or preferably sideways. That would be the best. Yeah, so like I said, I'm just gonna have some lunch, and after lunch I'll be back and probably trade something. Right now we're just running a short on Ondo on the challenge account. Okay. Looks like we're already getting wrecked, guys. Okay, I'll be back later. Bye bye.